just realized dogs. So, I think my cousin watches my videos. My mentally big, but physically small cousin. She's like a foot smaller than me. I swallowed too much. Oh no, I'm dying! Andy, I'm dying. Lexi, bitch. She doesn't even care. At least Andy got up. Oh my god, that keeps on scaring me. Do anything good? Anything else good? Good. I don't know why I'm being so weird. I'm so bored. Do we have anything good in the dessert cabinet? No, we do not. Oopsie. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.